Apat na plane accidents in less than a week. Ito yung Azerbaijan Airlines crash kung saan 38 ang namatay at 29 na pasahero ang nakasurvive. Reportedly, strinak ng isang Russian surface-to-air missile yung eroplano. Tas it attempted to do an emergency landing sa Kazakhstan pero it crashed. Ang presidente ng Russia nag-condole pero hindi nila kinonfirm kung sila ay responsible dito. Tas noong December 29, 179 ang patay sa Jeju Air Flight, South Korea airplane crash na ito. Nung nagland yung eroplano, ito ay nag-skid off the runway, tas tumama sa wall, tas nag-explode. So, iniimbestigahan pa kung bakit ito nangyari. Some say may bird strike or maybe the bad weather conditions could have led to this. But some people believe na those are not enough for it to be this deadly. Ito naman